So now you are putting in our coconut fiber, and that is going to do the work. That is going to do all the magic we talked about in biodigester. As soon as water comes into contact with this fiber, this will generate the bacteria that will break down the solids when it gets in. Yo, this is your man, Dream Eye from Dream Eye Constructions. We are back again on this channel with a different account since the old one was hacked. In fact, on the old one, we treated the biodigester into more details. Every part of it, we're having video on that. And our videos were giving you hand-on practical knowledge, because when you watch our videos, it's like you are on site. So many a times people do call me that they want to come to site and learn, but I told them, hey, if you put all my videos together, you are good to go. You should be able to do it all by yourself. At Dream Eye Construction, when we come online, there is no secret ingredient. We don't hide anything. We don't hide anything from our followers who are interested in dabbing knowledge, because we also dab knowledge into other subjects where we find interesting. However, I was receiving so many attacks because I was sharing. I didn't give a damn, but the account, as I speak, has been hacked. So when you visit that account, you will not find it. We are here again with a different account. This account is Dream Eye Consult. The Dream Eye Construction account is been hacked. The videos are off. The account is be taken down. You don't have anything there. But I will appeal to you to subscribe to this channel, and we will upload all the old videos here, and then many more that are coming. I was there. Now, yeah, frame Ghana man, Sika Kakrenti, you are sharing our secret. I said, wow, so there is secret. Okay. On this channel, I'm going to give you a lot, lot secrets that people are deceiving you with on the subject of biodigester. They will come in the name of chemical in quotes. They name it bioenzyme, and they will charge you huge sum of money in the name of the chemical. But I will share their secret here with you. Subscribe to this channel and let's move along. On this our channel, we will give you video dito tutorial on every part of the biodigester. Like, share, and don't forget to leave your comment at the comment section. If they are coming back to hack, we're also ready for them. So don't be afraid. We have the raw data, we'll process it and give you information. We've done so many research on biodigester, and we are bent on sending or sharing the information with you out there, so you can also learn and use it for your own benefit. You can do it by yourself. If you're a plumber, it can become an occupation for you. If you're a mason, you can as well learn them. In fact, anybody at all who is interested in this subject can learn it from us. And on this site, you will get hand-on approach of how to construct a biodigester. Subscribe to this channel. Let's get along. Thank you. I'm going to place the cover on it and press it, and that is all. We have not leave a vent for it here, simply because the building has a vent. They have left a vent for the toilet, so we didn't leave any vent down here or around the chamber, because it already have a vent connected to the building. This should work for you. This should work for you. No hidden ingredient. Thank you.